Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I am here with your Sunday coupon matchups for Dollar General for today, or they begin today, which is January 12th. Remember, some accounts may get different coupons, so always check your account. These are not every coupon that we have received this week, just the best. So let's start off with our first one here. And as you can see, you are going to get your Friskies, your Tidy Cat. There's two different ones there. We have all the coupons you see here, and you would pay $29.25. We have Tidy Cat on its own. We have $1 off one, so that would be $7.50 for that jug of cat litter. We also have a 2 off 1 23-pound or bigger Tidy Cat, making it just $10.25. Up next, we have $1 off 2 on the Nerds. They are also on sale, so you would pay $5.90 for 2 of those. This item is a freebie, and it is for the Kinder. It would be $1.40 off, making it free. We have your Doritos. They're on sale 2 for $7. We have $1 off 2, so you would pay $6 for 2 bags of Doritos. Up next, we have your NyQuil, which has $1 off 1 coupon, working on the 550 size, making that just $4.50 out of pocket. Alka-Seltzer has a 3 off 1 coupon, making it just $14. Afrin has a 2 off 1 coupon, making the 9.75 size just $7.75. Then we have your children's Tylenol with a 2 off 1 coupon, making that $7.25. Alka-Seltzer Plus is a 2 off 1 coupon, making it just $5.95. Sudafed has a $2 off 1 coupon, making that just $7 for the 24 count. Then we have 50 cents off 1 DG Health Cold and Flu, making the nighttime cold and flu just $4.45. Secret has a 3 off 1 Secret Body, and this is going to be $10. BioTrue has a 6 off 1 coupon, and that would make it just $5.65. We have a 4 off 1 Colgate, making the Colgate Optic White Renewal, which is $8, just $4. This one is $2 off 2 of the U by Kotex, so 2 of them would be $7. They are also working on the 16 count liners, so if you got 2 of them, they would be free. Dove has a 2 off 1 hair care product coupon, so the $5 shampoo would be just $3. Up next, we have $2.50 off of 1 Colgate. It is working on the Colgate Total Advanced Pro Shield mouthwash, and that would be just $2.50. Elvive has a 3 off 2 coupon, making 2 of them, whether it be shampoo and conditioner or mix and match, is $7. We have our Irish Springs body wash coupon back, and that will be $2 off, making it $3.35. We also have back our soft soap, $2 off 1, and that's going to work on the body wash or body wash and shave gel, and that is just $3.50 for that body wash. Up next, we have $5 off of 2 Axe body wash sprays or sticks, and that would be $6 for 2 of the body wash. Colgate has a $2.50 off of 1 toothpaste coupon. That is making the $4 size just $1.50. We have the Skintimate razor coupon. This is 3 off 1, making the $6 razor just $3. We have $2.50 off of 1 Colgate, and this is working on the Colgate Slim Soft Charcoal Toothbrush, making it 85 cents. We have Speed Stick, $1 off 1, making it just $1.75 for that 2.7 ounce size. In household, we have a $2.05 off of 1 and a $2 off 1 store coupon for this Tide. Check your account. If you have both, you can pay just $5.90 for the $9.95 Tide Pods. Gain has a 2 off 1 coupon, making the powder just $7.95. And then we have your Tide Pods. Again, we have that $2.05 if you still have that, plus the $3 store coupon. Combining those would be $14.90 for the $19.95 size pods. Then we have 2 off 1 Downy Rinse, Tide Rinse, or Gain Rinse. So it would make the Gain Rinse, which is $6.95, just $4.95. Let me know. Do you guys use the rinse? Do you prefer softener, powder, pods, liquids? Let us know. We have $2.50 off of the Suavitel, and it is working on the 850 size, making that just $6. Bounty Paper Towels has $1 off one coupon, making them $5 for the $6 size. We have the 6 off 1 Airwick Mist. This is the Essential Mist Starter Kit. The $13 kit will be just $7. Then we have $1 off 1 Cottonelle, making the 2-ply 4-pack just $4. Ajax has $1 off 1 coupon, making the $2.50 size just $1.50. That would be a good filler item for this coming Saturday too. Scott Paper Towels has $1 off 1, so the $6.50 size would be just $5.50. We have 2 off 1 Purex, making the $10 size just $7.95. Palmolive has $1 off 1. That is working on the $2.75 size bottle, and that would be $1.75 out of pocket. And Scott Toilet Paper also has $1 off 1, so you can use that on the $3.50 size pack and pay $2.50. Arm & Hammer has a 3 off 1 coupon, making it just $6.50 for the $9.50 size. We have another freebie. This is our Advanced Warmer at $4 off, making it free. Then we have 50 cents off True Living Drawstring Kitchen Bags, making them just $4.45 for the 13-gallon size. 75 cents off True Living Low Splash or regular bleach, making that just $3.75. And lastly, we have 75 cents off True Living foam plates. That's the 130 count. They would be $3.95. And those are the best coupons that we thought were worth mentioning for this week. Make sure you get your accounts clipped, especially on those high-value coupons. Leave me a comment. Let me know about the detergent. Do you prefer liquid, powder, pods? Does it not matter? Do you prefer the Downy rinse or a different type of softener? Leave me a comment. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up. It's a free way to help the channel. You can find us in all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. Thanks for watching. Bye!